Hey, welcome to Paddle and Hike. Today I'm doing a review on a portable fire pit. Let's check it out. (9.6 by 3.5). So the kit is pretty compact. When you open the pouch that comes with it, you have all the bars that you need. You have the mesh, it's a simple square, and you have the clips to attach the mesh to the bars, and that's it. So first you take all the bars out, them aside. Oh, I'm missing one and two. Then you have the base. You just open it up. It's very basic, it's very simple, there's nothing complicated with it, and you're going to fit all the bars inside. So obviously one side is going to be the legs and the top is going to be the other bars. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now I'm putting the legs. 1, 2, 3, and the last one. So there it is. Nothing more complicated than that. You have your base and you have your top. Now you just have to put the mesh over the top like this. So you use the clips, that's the clip, this, and you just need to pinch them to make them fit into the holes. And the last one. And that's it. It's pretty cool, it's pretty sturdy, it's pretty high from the ground, so nothing will get wet, your wood won't get wet, your fodder will breathe super well, so perfect for winter camping or wet conditions. Obviously 4 seasons, but I think for winter camping this is awesome. 16.5 by 16.5 by 12.6. It can support 11 pounds. So if you like videos like this and you want to help support my channel, you can do so by subscribing, liking, and leaving a comment. All these little things are free. Takes a second and will help me a lot. Thank you. I think this little fire pit works super well, super easy to install. It's not too heavy. Obviously it's not ultralight, but it's still very packable. So for winter camping anyway, everything is heavy pretty much. So that's a good add-on to your kit. So you don't have to set up a fire pit. It's already there. It will be off the ground. Nothing will be wet. Super breathable and super easy to use. So I hope you enjoyed that video. And if you want to see more videos like this, make sure to click on this one. See you soon.